ECSIPC to showcase smart retail and industrial computing solutions at ISE Barcelona 2024. Digisol to showcase cutting-edge networking solutions at the 31st Convergence India Expo 2024. FAIITA unveils IndiaITMall, revolutionizing e-commerce with unique Phygital platform, inaugurated by Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh. Cooler Master introduces the Core 100 Max. Choosing the right tech tools for your content creation needs, Western Digital. HP unveils the new digital printing solutions at CEIF 2024. Iris Global delivers yet another G2G's 18 crore order. Tate hosts Insightful Tech Trends 2024 event, exploring emerging technologies and business prospects. Grethra and Savix Technologies join forces to help businesses automate their HR management processes. Vertiv projects doubling of global manufacturing capacity for switchgear, busway, and integrated modular solutions to support increased demand. Please visit www.ncnonline.net to read full reports.